everyone, this is Kang, and today we're going to unbox this Galax Gtx 1660Ti one-click OC. Okay, so the first thing that you'll see is the quick installation guide, Molex to PCIe, and the GPU itself. Let's set this aside first. Ta-da! The Galax Gtx 1660Ti is based on NVIDIA's Turing architecture equipped with TU116-400A1 processor. It features 1536 CUDA cores with 1785 MHz base clock and boost clock of 1800 MHz. This GPU can be overclocked using Galax One-Click OC and XTREME Plus software, which allows automated adjustment of lighting, speed and voltage, finding maximum safe and stable levels of overclocking, simplified with a user-friendly interface. The Galax Gtx 1660Ti One-Click OC has 192-bit 6GB GDDR6 memory running at 12GB PS, having a memory bandwidth of 288GB per second. Powered by one 8-pin PCIe power connector, the Galax Gtx 1660Ti has a minimum power supply requirement of 450 watts. It sports two 90mm fans that stops when your component reach a certain temperature. It's normal, so don't panic. Aside from that, it also supports triple monitor display, so if you're planning on having a multi-monitor setup with this GPU, there shouldn't be any problem. Lastly, the Galax Gtx 1660Ti One-Click OC output connector consists of a DisplayPort, HDMI, and a single DVI-D. Well, that's my unboxing of this Galax Gtx 1660Ti One-Click OC. I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, this is Kang. See you next time. Bye!